Hi guys, welcome to my channel MateABC English, and today we're going to see the basic properties of the real numbers on the operations of addition and product. So let's get started. So the first one, it says that given three real numbers you can add it in different ways. For example, you can add a plus b plus c, or first one, you add a plus b and then add it c. This, guys, is the associative property of addition. So the second property, it says the existence of 0 on the real numbers. So you can add a plus 0 and then 0 plus a. This is equals to a. So this is the additive identity property of addition. The third property, it says that the existence of the additive inverse. So you can add a plus minus a equals minus a plus a, and this is equal to 0. This is the additive inverse property of addition. The fourth one, it says that given two real numbers, you can add it such as a plus b or equal to b plus a. This is the commutative property of addition. So these are the four properties of addition. And the next one are of the multiplication. So the first one, or the property 5, it says that given three real numbers you can multiplying in different ways. For example, a times brackets b times c equals to a times b bracket times c. This, guys, is the associative property of multiplication. The sixth one, the next property, it says that the existence of multiplicative identity. So this is, guys, is the number 1, because you multiplying a times 1 equals 1 times a equals a. The next one, it says the existence of the multiplicative inverse of multiplication. So for example, you have the existence of this multiplicative inverse on the real numbers, such as a times a minus 1 equals a minus 1 times a equals to 1. So this, guys, is important because a has to be different than 0, because we are on the real numbers, so we can multiplying by 0 and getting a different number that isn't different than 0. That's why you can have a different than 0. So the following property, it says the commutative property of multiplication. So it is that given two real numbers, a times b equals b times a. And the last property, it combines the two basic properties. So it is the distributive property of multiplication over addition. So a times b plus c equals a times b plus a times c. So these, guys, are the 9 basic properties of the real numbers. So the next video we're going to see the 3 basic properties of reals, but these are different. So thank you, guys, for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, MateABC English.